माया बेसारे पानाको मायालाई चाउँदै 18 जनाको रेलै छ I don't know. I mean, it'll be unfair. It'll be, completely impartial if I put words to that description of how I fall. It's the feeling of completeness. It's the feeling of togetherness. It's the feeling of warmth. I think Srishti is someone who defines love for me. I cannot imagine any other way possible without her.
I don't know how Abhi managed to find exactly the girl that he has been talking about ever since, people started asking him कि जब आप visualize करते हो कि आपका life partner कैसा होना चाहिए, the description Abhi was very clear about the kind of person that he wanted in his life, and he has got exactly that in Srishti and much more.
She being from Kohima, I being from Himachal, completely poles apart. But since it was meant to be, that is how we've gotten together. I'm 100% sure. There's no iota of doubt in my mind. There's no inch of any ambiguity in my heart that it was not supposed to happen any other way. But the moment that I knew that she existed, I've been waiting for this day. I've been waiting for this time. I'm as excited as it can be.
Love for me, it was basically more for family and friends. But once I met Abhay, the definition of love completely changed. I had explored a different genre of love, which I had never felt ever in my life. For now, in one word, if I am to define love, it would be Abhay. That's it.
The way he's looking at Srishti, his eyes are literally lighting up, and she's looking up to him like she's got this entire world in him.
Myself, I've realized that this kind of emotion is also possible within me. That I can feel this kind of emotion, this kind of love, this kind of care, this kind of affection towards a person. The music has become more melodious. The winds have started feeling more calmer, cooler. I've started enjoying the sunshine more. It's not very easy, to describe what she means. It's like how important is oxygen to you.
It's good to know that he's found someone of his liking, of his choice. And as they say, well, marriages are made in heaven. If this is heaven, then so be it.
अभयको बेस्ट फ्रेन्ड
भगवानसँग म यही प्रार्थना गर्छु दुईजनाको लागि चाहिँ राम्रोसँग जाओस् सबैसँग मिलेर सबैको आशीर्वाद पाएर जिन्दगी राम्रो होस् यही कामना गर्छु म कुनै
Bye, Benna. Bye,